Okay, here we have the four main ingredients. One is the shrimp. Then we have extra virgin olive oil, puree of vegetable sauce, honey, and salt water from feta. And there you have. You have the basic ingredients for an ancient Greek recipe of shrimp with honey and salt water. First we put the olive oil into the frying pan. Get it all warmed up. And then we put the honey in. There you go. 2 heaping tablespoons. Now the next thing is the vegetable puree. Give it some added flavor. Then we put the salt water. This is the water that comes from the feta. When you immerse the feta in water to maintain it a lot longer. Keep it moist. And finally, we put the shrimp. And there you go. Fast and easy recipe for 5 minutes. Almost done. Yeah. So the honey's caramelized a little bit since it's been heated up. And there you go. Sauce on it, caramelized honey, salt water, vegetable broth. There you have it. A modern version of an ancient Greek recipe.
Now it's ready.
Brought to you by Saronikos Fish Tavern. And it's Chef Pendelis. There you go.
Hello.
Hello. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, now we're going to try it. All right, here it is. My turn. First of all, we have to try the sauce.
Delicious.
Here, take the head off. We'll do this quick because I saw him eating it and I'm really hungry now. So I'm not going to wait for... I'll go really fast, like that. Oh, here we go. Then we dip it. Here in Greece we dip and double dip. It's not a problem.
Double dip is the best.
Double dip is the best.
Adios.
That's it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Πάντα τέτοια. Yeah.
It's fantastic. The sauce, the delis, it's amazing. Not exactly like the ancient Greek recipe. We did a little modification because the salt part of the recipe was they did a paste from the inside of the fish with salt. They let it ferment out in the sunshine. It was like kind of like an anchovy paste made from the insides of fish. Quite a recipe, but we didn't want to get into doing all that, so we just used the salt water from feta, and it's remarkable, the taste. That's Pendeli's invention, and a little bit of the vegetable broth.
What else we have to try? Anything else is coming?
Next week.
Next week.
Next week we have a series. Every week we do one. Maybe every other day. Thank you. This is it.
Nice. Last shrimp. Last shrimp. Who's gonna eat this shrimp?
You. This is yours.
Bye, ευχαριστώ.
And you better
Thank
hurry.
you.
And you better hurry.
Είναι Σαρονικός. Tavern.
Fish Tavern
In Souvala.
in Souvala, the best village in anywhere in Aigina. This is the way it's at.
In Greece.
Right in the water. And
Next
the boat
to the
bring the
sea.
fish right 50 feet from here.
This way, over
The
there.
fish is about 2 hours old. 2 hours ago it was swimming in the sea.
Αυτά είναι. Αυτά είναι.
Έτσι.
Okay,
Αυτά είναι.
thank you. Okay, here we have the four main ingredients. One is the shrimp. Then we have extra virgin olive oil, puree of vegetable sauce, honey, and salt water from feta. And there you have. You have the basic ingredients for an ancient Greek recipe of shrimp with honey and salt water.